Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. I'm in the City Hall's ground, Matafeni, to witness the Junior Championships games that have been hosted here today. Today was the group stages, Yeah, I'm joined by Coach Khoza of Black Nkomazi Black Clover, who has progressed into the next round. Coach Khoza, congratulations on progressing into the next round, Coach. How do you feel about today?
I feel very excited, my brother. Especially the boys, they fought very well. I'm happy for the boys. They come from a long way. They fought, they fight. Akuhle kakhulu abakwendile abafana ngibonga abafana baseGaspi.
Coach Khoza, ngisuke Nkomazi coach nitalana namhlanje eMathafeni. Ithini message ebokathi unayo to the boys, knowing very well that you're coming to compete against some of the finest teams that the Lowveld region has to offer, Junior Championships today, coach.
I message lenginayo ukuthi ngibonga kakhulu especially kulaba phethe ama Junior Championship. Siphatheke kahle kakhulu nebafana abafundzele okuningi especially kudlala ama tournament la big njengalawa kuyabakhulisa mental and physically.
Coach, experience coach namhlanje coach, you say what difficulties did one have to endure and then bukane nawo coming very well and knowing ukuthi iweather namuhla bekushisa kakhulu, what challenges that were faced by badlali bakho coach, knowing very well ukuthi lashisa namuhla?
Especially about weather ngikushisa ngisho ukuthi mina ngigain advantage kakhulu because abafana bami suka level lekunelanga khona balijwayele kakhulu ngisho ukuthi kimi kube advantage kakhulu ngikona lokho City lo ukuthi sikhona gain le moment time because bona basheshe baphela moya thina besinemoya lo right.
Coach Khoza, kuchubekela phambili to tournament Junior Championships, what can the Fanatics expect from bafana bakho, and how much of a big deal is it ukuthi nilana namuhla representing Nkomazi?
Laba nga expect ukuthi sidawubuya kahle ngemandla silungise lapho nalapho nebafana bakhona ukugaina like lo benze kwendeka kakhulu like njengoba ngishilo ama big tournament la kangaka bakawajwayeli kangaka. Ngiyacabanga sekwesithuna attend ama Junior Championship. First was Emelo bakhulu abafana bami kakhulu engqondweni bawajwayela ama big tournament. Ngiyacabanga ama challenges labafana lawo nabahlangana nawo kusasa angeke aze abathuse bathu abangconywana abafana bakhulu.
Coach Khoza sithi halala, thank you very much coach for isikhathi sakho and congratulations to win namuhla njengeNkomazi Black Clover and progressing into the next round.
Akubonga mina my brother. Ngibongele na coach Dlura lo ngekho lengirepresenta yena la manje.
Sibonga kakhulu coach Khoza.
Ngibonga mina.